Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to prepare sweet Nimki, which is one of my favorite recipes that is prepared during Durga Puja. To begin with the process, here I am taking refined flour. We'll add salt as per taste and about 4 spoons of oil. Quantity of oil should be enough so that maida binds together, just like how it's shown in the video. Now we need to knead the dough by adding little water at a time. This process will hardly take about 10 minutes. Once you get a soft dough like this, allow it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, this is how the dough looks like and it's ready to be used. I am dividing it into 4 portions and with the help of a rolling pin we'll roll this. Now you can cut this in your desired size or shape. Here I am heating up a karai and we'll add oil. And on the other side, I am heating up a pan. We'll add water and about half a cup of sugar. While the sugar syrup is getting ready, we can fry the nimkis. Make sure you are frying them in low flame, and once they turn a little yellowish in color, keep it aside. Here the nimkis are all fried and ready. They are crispy as you can hear the sound. Our sugar syrup is also ready. Put the nimki in sugar syrup and we'll cook this in high flame for 2 to 3 minutes until the syrup dissolves. Once done, transfer this in a plate. After 2 to 3 minutes, this is how they look. Crispy, sweet and of the perfect consistency. You can serve this in a plate or store it in an airtight container for a few days. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.